Boris, start your camera.
Just started it.
Mr. Guy, you were present in the previous class. You shouldn't have got the questions wrong.
I know, so. But the second one was difficult, and the first one I think I did.
When the second, are you writing and doing it, Mr. Guy?
Yes, so. So can I leave? I'll join from the laptop.
Yes, yes. Other kids, send your answers quickly.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in the first question, we have to divide 14 upon -2. So how do we divide them?
But if the number of negative signs are even, then the answer is positive. If the number of negative signs are odd, the answer is negative.
Please check my answer.
Hacker, your answers are not correct and you need to send to ma'am.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, let's see. So, first of all, I thought we all will easily be able to do these questions, but never mind, I'll explain. So, if you have minus 2x equal to 14, I will first multiply, I can multiply with -1 to make 2x equal to -14. Then x equal to -14 divided by 2, that will give me -7. So because there was one negative sign, so my answer would come out negative. Here
Sir,
there are two negative signs.
sir, I didn't do multiplication division.
Sir, won't -2 go on the other side and become +2?
बेटा जब वो एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में होता है ना, this happens when you are adding +2. Then it goes to the other side and becomes -2. And
Sir, I did not understand. Sir, I did not understand.
बेटा this is multiplication and division. अगर आपका x + 2 = 14 होता तो ये अदर साइड जाके -2 हो जाता.
तो इसके अंदर से क्या होता है?
इसके अंदर आपका -2 ही जाता है दूसरी साइड. इधर
इसके
आप
अंदर
पहले ही माइनस साइन ट्रांसफर कर लो.
सर इसके अंदर क्या होता है?
बेटा
A
वेट
part
ना,
है।
मैं बता रहा हूँ ना. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. देयर आर टू
sorry,
ways. First, you directly you can transfer the minus sign to the other side like I
हाँ
did.
जी.
Let's say you did not do this. Then you can directly divide it by -2. यहाँ पे लेट से मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया तो मैं डायरेक्टली दूसरी साइड को -2 से डिवाइड कर सकता.
Oh,
So
and then I can put the answer in minus.
Yes.
Okay. So I think
Here
the second
the
one is
minus sign was there on both sides. So what I will do, I will
+2.
multiply by -1. 3y by 5 is equal to 9. Now division will become multiply on the other side. Multiply will become division on the other side. So it will be 15 will be my answer. And plus 15 because ये minus sign तो पहले ही cut हो गया. Understood guys or not?
Yes, so I got negative 15.
Sir, I
So
didn't understand the B part.
B part बेटा दोनों side minus है ना.
Yes, sir.
So simply multiply by -1 and make them positive. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Mahuri and Hacker, guys, hopefully मुझे next two questions का correct answer मिलेगा. If you have paid attention. All right, do this two questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I go get my water bottle?
Yes, beta, you can go get your water. So Adhya, Diya, Chatty.
Sir, I'm just sending. Sir, I'm sending.
Diya, keep your camera on. Diya, Geetal, keep eyes. So sleeping Diya and sleeping Adhya, send your answers.
Sir, I have sent. Mama, I haven't sent. No, I haven't sent yet. Ma'am, please check my answer.
All right, guys, let me explain the first question. So see, hacker, please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Beta, see, what answer did you send for the first question?
So 20.
बेटा ये माइनस साइन नहीं दिखा आपको?
Yes, sir.
Then what should be the answer?
Minus 20.
Yes, so first you can multiply both sides. Beta, this is right hand side, this is left hand side. You can multiply the right hand side and left hand side by any number you want to, but you should multiply with both the sides. When you multiply this by minus 1, you will get x by 5. What will you get when you multiply 4 with minus 1?
So minus 4.
-4. शॉर्टकट वे क्या होता है? अगर एक माइनस साइन हो, there is nothing else on the left side, it's clear, it shift to the other side. So x will be equal to 5 into -4, which gives you -20.
So can this be a star question?
No, beta, no. So Smiley and Chatty, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now next one, because negative signs are on both sides, क्या होगा hacker इस question में?
So it was a typing error.
What should be the answer then?
36.
No, beta. So first step, what will be the first step? The minus signs will get cut out.
Yes, sir.
3 is in the denominator, it will go to the other side and become what?
Numerator.
12 multiplied by 3. Then this 4 is in, multiplication, it will go to the other side and become what?
Numerator.
Denominator. It's in the numerator here. On the left side, it will go to the right side and become
Denominator.
denominator. So Adhya, समझ आया बेटा?
Yes, sir. So
So
in the first one, I also did not put the minus sign.
So A is equal to 9. Next question. Today also we will practice linear equations. Then we will practice after word problems. We'll practice later.
Sir, I have few doubts in algebra.
Okay, after these questions from the school book.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll take them. Mr. Blood, did I teach sets in your class?
I think you did.
Dia, can you adjust your camera in such a way so that I can see it? Dia, what is happening, beta? Are you not able to understand anything? You can tell me. Yeah?
I'm struggling with linear equations, even the ones in
Not hear you properly.
So I'm struggling with linear equations, even the ones in the school book.
Beta, you are struggling because you missed my other day, my class, first class. You did not go through the recording. You are struggling because in May or June also you missed my classes when we did linear equations. And you are struggling because even today you joined late.
So this is tricky. I'm not able to understand.
It's the same thing, beta, we did in the previous classes. Nothing has changed. दिया, मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ, इसका आंसर मुझे बताओ. Minus x equal to 8. What will be my value of x? Diya and Gaurish, unmute karo. Let me explain to you again.
So
Yes, sir.
16.
Yes?
16.
Yes.
No, minus x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 16.
No.
बेटा 2 कहाँ से पैदा हुआ?
So because it's minus to get it to the 8, to get it to 8 first you have to get it to 0.
I didn't get you, Diya. Can you just, just attach your headphone or anything so that I can hear you in a better way?
So I wanted to ask you. So this plus 9 here, plus 9 plus 3x. So sir,
One second, beta. Gaurish, मैं explain कर रहा हूँ. I'm going. Let me go one by one.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
One explaining to you.
So could this be a star question?
Beta, these are very easy questions. I really don't want to give star in them. Diya, can you speak? What will be the value of x?
16. Am I audible now?
Yes, you said 16.
Yes, sir.
So from where did you get the 2?
Sir, because it's in minus, so we have to get it to 0 first. Only then will we be able to get
Beta,
it equivalent.
who told you this thing? Because I have never taught you this. Beta, see, if you have to learn equations from me, you forget whatever you have learned from your school teacher or anywhere else. Let me teach you. Do you understand, Diya? Because this is not the
Yes,
way.
sir.
Now see, minus x is equal to 8. Yeah, this is like a weighing balance. So Gaurish, what will be my answer?
So but why wouldn't it be 2x is equal
बेटा
to, so why?
फिर आप now you are मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, do you know the answer? Yes or no? Simple yes or no?
No, sir.
No. So let me explain you. These are like the two sides of a weighing balance. If you add anything to the right side, you have to add anything to the left side also. If you multiply anything to the right side, you have to multiply the same thing to the left side also. Now what will happen? Because this is minus x, but I want a positive 8. So I will multiply both sides with minus 1. When I multiply both sides with minus 1, this is going to change to positive. So this will become minus x into minus 1 will become minus x times minus 1 will become plus x, and 8 into minus 1 will become minus 8. So x will be equal to minus 8. अब इसका शॉर्टकट मेथड क्या है? अगर मैं आपसे y बोल दूं कि लेट्स से आई से y इज इक्वल टू 12 माइनस y इज इक्वल टू 12, शॉर्टकट मेथड ये है, माइनस साइन डायरेक्टली शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 12. इतना समझ आया गौरीश एंड दिया?
हाँ जी, sir. So now I have something else doubt related to it.
यस, अब पूछो आप.
So this 2x and there's like 9 plus 3 on the other side. So sir, can't we put 2, the number 2 on the other side and make it minus 2? So 9 minus 2
We
plus 3.
cannot, because this 2 is in multiplication with the variable. So you cannot just separate the variable from the 2.
So
आप
what
एक
will
ही
you do?
तरीके से सेपरेट कर सकते हो. You can take it into division, but उससे आपका क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं होगा. आप ये ऑपरेशन करेक्ट है, this is correct, but this won't solve the question, so you won't do that. When you have x terms and number terms on the right side and the left side, इसको लिखना है लिख लो, because every time you get, you ask me the same questions. When we have variable and number terms on both sides of the equation, we transfer the variable terms to the left side and number terms to the right side. अब गाइस आप अलग अलग साइड भी लेफ्ट की जगह राइट भी ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो, बट दिस इज एन easier approach. It's not a rule, but it's an easier approach. When we have the variable terms and number terms on both sides of the equation, we transfer the variable terms to the left and number terms to the right. So Smiley and Adya, why I did not get my answer for the previous questions? गाइस आपको स्पेशल इनविटेशन देनी पड़ेगी कि आंसर भेजो आप.
Sir, my answer was coming in fraction, so I did not send.
बेटा आपका आंसर कैसे भी आए, यू हैव टू सेंड. डू वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट?
Yes, sir.
नाउ दोज हु गॉट दिस क्वेश्चंस रॉन्ग, what do you have on the right side? Number and the variable. You
Yes,
guys
sir.
tell me in English क्या करेंगे हम. इंग्लिश में मुझे बताओ. मैथमेटिक्स में मैं आपको समझा दूं.
Sir,
इंग्लिश
three.
पढ़ सकते हैं
Sir,
हम. क्या
sir,
लिखा
we
है
take
यहाँ पे?
3x there.
क्या लिखा है? वी ट्रांसफर द वेरिएबल टर्म्स टू द लेफ्ट. तो किसको हम लेफ्ट साइड ट्रांसफर करेंगे?
3x.
So it's gonna be 3x equals to 9 plus 3.
3x equal to 9 plus what?
No, sir, it will be 2x.
आपने 3x को यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट कर दिया. 3x की साइड बताओ दिया कौन सी है?
Right.
राइट. तो आपने 3x को लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट कर दिया.
So not 3x, x.
Then
So when I add x to 2x, then it becomes 3x.
कैसे, कहाँ पे x 2x क्या है? क्या ये आप मतलब क्लाउड्स में बातें कर रहे हो? x को 3x में ऐड कर दिया. यू स्टॉप दिया. आप समझो. आज आज आप बोलो मत, आज आप समझो. अनम्यूट रखो पर प्लीज. यस गौरीश, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? व्हाट वी विल डू?
So we will take 3x to the left side and it will be 3x something 2x is equal to 9.
3x to the left side.
Yes,
So hacker,
because
what we will do,
variable to
please
the left.
explain. Hacker, what we will do in this question?
So we will transfer 3x to the left side, but I don't know what will come in between 2x and 3x.
Yes, same, sir.
Okay, so we will transfer. So Diya, see, as per this line, when we have variable and number terms on both sides, मेरा 3x left में भी है, right में भी है. It's easier to transfer the variables to the left side. So I'll be transferring 3x to the left side. ये बात clear हो गई? English clear हो गई? Mathematics अब आ जाएगा. 3x के what is the sign before 3x?
So can you show also while you do?
So plus.
Plus. So when you transfer 3x to the left side, it will become what?
Minus.
Minus.
Minus. So I will get 2x minus 3x. देखो दिया, both at every step, both the right side and the left side should be balanced. So 3x को मैंने left side transfer किया. It became 2x minus 3x equals to 9. समझ आया ये?
Yes.
Now, what will be 2x minus 3x? Diya, first chance I give it to you.
1x.
बेटा 3 minus 2 क्या होता है?
Wait, sorry. Minus 1.
So it will be minus 1x, which can be written as minus x. Minus 1x को मैं minus x भी लिख सकता हूँ. Minus x equals to 9. Then x will be equal to what?
Minus 9.
Yes, x will be equal to minus 9. Now Smiley, Adya, Diya, Gauri, Hacker. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, it was actually easy
Yes,
to do it. Sir, it was actually easy when we transferred it to the left side.
Yes. Next question में क्या होगा दिया? First chance to you.
So minus 2x equal to minus 12, which means that
So may I?
No, she's right. Diya, you are right. Next step, minus 2x equal to minus 12.
and then it's gonna be
बेटा दोनों साइड माइनस है ना, एक एक टर्म है.
Sure.
सबसे पहले Guys, याद रखना एक एक term होनी चाहिए. If there are multiple terms, then the method is different. When there are two negative terms, only two negative terms on each
प्लस हो
side of the
जाएगा
equation, you can
प्लस
multiply by -1 and make them positive. तो सबसे पहले तो minus को get rid of the minus.
so we
Now
will make it 2 plus
2x equal to 12. So x will be equal to what,
divide
Diya?
6. 6.
6. Smiley clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Now if I talk about easy,
sir I got this answer only but sir I sent something else sir I said 7 and x 7 and 6 I sent 7 6 I meant to send 6
do the next question. Remember the golden rule, transfer the variables to the left and numbers to the right.
sir I noted down the like the way you shown it also so I remember
How did 6 come?
बेटा 12 divide by 2 ये multiplication में है.
So there's
It will
no
go to the other side and become division. Smiley practice की sheets जो मैंने बोला था.
Sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
Not a great thing. Seriously, beta, not a great thing. You don't listen to the teacher, then you will suffer. It's your loss, beta, not my loss. When I say something needs to be done, it has to be done. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Next class से पहले मुझे चाहिए बेटा.
Yes, sir.
At least practice जो starting की easy sheets हैं वो practice करो.
That I have done a little bit.
Beta, little bit is not complete, na? And we are struggling here.
Yes, sir.
Hacker, you also need to practice those.
Yes, sir.
So there's no difference between x and y, right?
Yes, beta, both are variables. I can use A, I can use B, I can use C, I can use anything.
Then why x, y is that the most commonly used?
No reason as such. Like, why do we put Roman numbers for classes generally?
Because it's the standard way of writing classes.
That's what they say. There is no reason, but it is a commonly used notation. So, Guy, Smiley, Adya, Diya, send your answers quickly.
So I'm solving.
Adya, which question you have doubt in from your school syllabus?
So you're talking about smiley or
Smiley, Smiley.
so from algebra.
Which exercise and which question?
So I'll get the book just 1 second.
so I'm sending
So, Hacker, which is the first step that we'll do, Hacker and Diya?
So
So
first we will do 2y is equal to minus 11 plus 7.
Diya, what is the first step that we will do?
so 2y equals to minus 7 minus 11.
Smiley, which is the first step that we will do? Smiley,
Yes, sir. So minus 5y is equals to plus.
how minus 5y, beta? Number
we-
and this are unlike terms. They cannot be added. This is a constant. This is a literal term. They cannot be added or subtracted. So read what I have written here. Please read it aloud. Read this line.
When we have variable and number terms both on terms on both sides of the equation, we transfer the variable terms to the left and number terms to the right side.
So what is the next step?
So 2y will
2y will be equal to Adya, camera on and send your answers. 2i will be equal to what? So Diya, your mistake was beta. When minus 7 will be transferred to the right side, it minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Multiply becomes divide, divide becomes multiply. So what will it become? 7 minus 11. Now hacker, what is 7
Wait.
minus 11?
So you just said that it's gonna be plus, so should it be 7 plus 11?
No, beta. This is already minus 11. This is already on the right side. So this is already not changing side. This is already on the right side only. But minus 7 is changing right sides. So you write it minus 11 plus 7 or 7 minus 11. It means the same thing.
Okay.
Because like this also it's positive. And if I write it before 11, then also it's positive. 7 is going to be positive any which ways. So
Okay,
hacker,
sir.
what is 7 minus 11?
-4.
Minus 4. So what will be my y equal to?
-2.
Minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 2. Smiley, समझ आया? समझ आया बेटा?
That's
No,
not what
can
I
you
said.
explain again? I got disconnected.
Oh.
I will explain again. See beta, minus 7 is on the left side. As per the rule, I transferred minus 7 to the right side. So it became plus 7. So plus 7 minus 11 is minus 4. So 2y is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2. Adya, you also understood?
Yes, sir.
Do it, guys. Adya, after giving the answer, you tell me the question numbers also.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So can we get an answer in mixed fraction?
But if you are giving it in mixed, means that probably your answer is wrong.
Okay, sir.
But yes, if you get an improper fraction, then you can give it in mixed. So
And
Smiley, Guy, Adya.
so can the answer be in negative because I repeatedly get it in negative?
The answer is not in negative. Dia, if you can remove, you can show me your work, please.
Yes, sir.
If you have a virtual background, how will I be able to see? Blur background or Smiley, you also sent. You did absolutely correct till the last step, Dia. I'll just explain you. Smiley, can you also show me your work?
Yes, sir. I'll just remove the background.
Hacker, you also can, just send me your work if you have a phone.
Okay,
Not
sir,
hacker,
I'll
sorry.
check.
No, not you, hacker, sorry.
Okay.
Adya. Okay, Smiley. Beta, this is plus 18 is on which side, Smiley?
Sir, on the left side.
Then you took it on the right, so it will become what?
Sir, minus.
It will become what, beta?
Sir, minus 18.
So
Sir, I
20
copied my
minus
answer wrong.
18. So
Sir,
3y is equal to 2. Then listen up here, this step. 3 is in multiplication. It will go to the other side, become?
Division.
The
Oh,
answer would be 2 by 3.
oh.
Mahuri, Adya.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
didn't understand the last bit. Until 3y2 I understood. I didn't understand y equals to
Because
2
बेटा
by
कल भी आपने ना मिस कर दी थी starting की class and I forgot to send you the recording also like in the last class. See बेटा
Sir, I
whenever
copied the question wrong.
7 into a equal to 49. Use your mind. A क्या होगा? A की let me make it 56. What will be the
8.
value of A? 8.
8.
What did you do? You did 7
Divided.
into 8. Or
7
basically you
divided by 8.
divided 56 with 7 because this is multiplication. It went to the other side, became division. यही चीज यहाँ पे है but the answer is in fractions. समझ आया कुछ कुछ बेटा?
Yes, sir, kind of.
बेटा you go through the last class recording. पूरी recording go through करना.
Okay.
Your concepts will be further more clear.
Sir,
Okay?
I have
Okay, sir.
Yes, doubt पूछ लो पहले भाई.
Sir, in chapter 8, question 12, A part.
Exercise, tell me the exercise.
Sir, 8.1.
Involving 3 unknowns and degree 1. Yes, what's your doubt? So construct, let everyone do it. No, let me explain. Construct a polynomial. So construct a polynomial consisting of only 3 terms involving 3 unknowns and of degree 1. Guys, let me give you a recap of degree. When you have 7a square, the degree is the exponent value in the variable. So here degree is 2. Here your degree is 2. When you have 7a square b, then the degrees get added. 2 plus 1 degree is 3. But when you have 7a square plus 2b, then the degree will be 2 only. Why it will be 2? Because ये plus sign है, ये दोनों terms अलग अलग हैं. So when we have variables, 2 variables in multiplication, disconnected. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when I have 2 variables in multiplication, the degrees get added. Let me write it also. When we have 2 variables, 2 or more variables in a same term, क्योंकि ये term same है, in the same term. Bracket में I am writing multiplication. Same term multiplication. Their degree, their exponents get added when we have the exponents they added. Okay, to find it. So let me give you one or two more examples. You guys give me the degree of 10 x square y minus 5x square plus 6. So everyone give me the degree of this polynomial. Chatty, it's wrong and send to ma'am. Mr. Bar, it's correct. So Smiley, Gauri, Adya, and Diya.
So can we like cut x2 from both equations?
बेटा अगर कैंसिल हो रही होती टर्म्स तो कैंसिल कट होता. अगर कैंसिल नहीं हो रही तो we cannot solve. These are unlike terms. They cannot be added or subtracted. So Adya, Diya, Gauri, let me explain it one more time. Guys, see, first of all, in such type of questions, identify the terms. कितनी terms है मेरी? Terms are separated by plus and minus sign. So I have term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. Now we have to consider the individual degrees कितनी होगी. For a constant, जैसे for a constant, degree is 0. You can write this down. For a constant, degree is 0. तो 6 की degree 0 है. गीत इसकी 5x. What is the degree of 5x square, गीत?
So 1.
बेटा exponent होता है, ये देखो आप. Exponent, so degree is 2. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So what is the degree of 10x square, y, Diya?
2.
No, beta, it's not 2 because where if nothing is
3.
written, this is 2 plus 1, 3. Now for the polynomial, the degree is 3. For the polynomial, degree is 3. Understood, guys? Because it is
But
3.
sir, x and x will get cut out, and sir, we in
बेटा
the
कट
answer
नहीं
will
होगा
be
ना,
get.
ऐसे नहीं होगा कट. डिग्री है, इट हैज सेपरेट रूल्स. इक्वेशन की डिग्री निकालते हैं मींस
So sir,
हाईएस्ट
what will
पावर
be the
क्या है.
final answer?
फाइनल आंसर विल बी 3. जैसे
Sir,
फॉर एग्जांपल आई गिव यू द एग्जांपल दिस. हियर इट वाज 2, हियर इट वाज 1, तो फाइनल डिग्री 2. हियर इट वाज 2, हियर इट वाज 1, फाइनल डिग्री 3. हियर इट वाज 2, फाइनल डिग्री 2.
Sir, shouldn't
sir,
it
जो
be
सबसे
one?
बड़ा होता है that is the final, right?
यस.
Sir,
तो
shouldn't
बेटा
it be
फॉर अ कांस्टेंट, बेटा रीड for a constant degree is 0. कोई वेरिएबल नहीं है, डिग्री इज 0. रीड इट हियर. ठीक है स्माइली?
Yes, sir.
59 ABC minus 12 x square plus 7x plus 9. Give the answer, guys.
Sir, I still didn't understand. Do we cancel out the other x if that's the case?
No, beta, no. We just give the answer which has the highest value. Highest value was 3, so we give that as the answer. So I will repeat the step. First of all, identify the terms. सारी terms identify करो. After identifying the terms, write the degree of all the terms. फिर जिसकी highest हो वही equation की, that will be the degree of the polynomial.
Excuse me, sir. This to us before. Sir, you
Yes,
taught
Babu,
this to
you
us
can.
before.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, you've taught this to us before.
I did teach you in May, June.
Sir,
But
that
we are
time I...
kids.
Sir, but I wasn't in
I don't know how
classes.
much in details, but I did teach you. So
Sir?
Diya and Adya, answer please.
Sir, I'm still solving.
Slow. You have to increase your speed. Early guy, keep on unmute. So let's start with you, Smiley. What is the degree of 9?
Sir, 0.
What is the degree of 7x.
Sir, 1.
What is the, see guys, मैं plus और minus से subtract करके लिख रहा हूँ. What is the degree of 12x square?
Sir,
What is the degree of 59 ABC?
sir, 3.
3. So equation की degree क्या होगी? Polynomial की
6.
3 बेटा, add नहीं करना, highest देना है.
Yes, sir.
Now coming back to your question, construct a polynomial of only 3 terms involving 3 unknowns and of degree 1. A plus B plus C कर दो. 3 नहीं of 3 unknowns, yeah, degree is 1. A plus B plus C. 3A plus 2B minus 6C कर दो.
Sir, we can
So all,
also in this.
yes,
So,
So we can put the symbol of minus also in this.
yes beta, we can put minus also, but you cannot use ABC together because then the degree will be 3, not 1.
Sir,
Right
can
now
we
the
take-
degree is 1. Right now the degree is 1.
so
Now put here
Sir,
2 variables. A B भी put नहीं कर सकते because then the degree will be 2. This is wrong.
Sir, can we do A plus B minus C?
Yes beta, you can do that also.
so can we do like z to the power 1? Z
It
to the
has to
power.
be power 1. Yes, power 1 होनी चाहिए and 2 variables cannot be in multiplication.
Sir, if we do Z to the
Okay,
power
क्वेश्चन और कर लेते हैं
1.
डिग्री का.
Sir, if we do Z to the power 1, so
Sir, what do you
we can
mean by
write Z to the power 1 plus Z to the power
Beta,
plus
generally
five.
if the power is 1 ना, we don't write the power because it's understandable कि अगर कुछ
Yes.
नहीं लिखा तो power 1 ही होगी. Yes Gauri, what were you saying?
So I wanted to ask you, so why can't two variables
Mr.
be
Gauri.
multiplied? So why can't two variables
Because
be
then बेटा
multiplied?
उनकी जो powers होंगी ना वो add हो जाएंगी, then the degree will be 2.
So sir, multiply हो ही नहीं सकती. If it's written 10xy multiplied by y, 1y. So why it can't be multiplied?
See beta, if it is written, see 10xy, let me write 10xy for you.
Okay.
7xy. अब इसकी भी पावर 1 है, इसकी भी पावर 1 है, तो इस for this term the degree will be 1 plus 1 2.
Yeah.
That is why. So if आपने multiply कर दिया तो उनकी degrees powers add हो जाएंगी. Okay.
Oh, तो वो
So
add
right
हो जाएंगी
now
powers
in
तो
grade
तब भी
6, listen to me, right now in grade 6 you solve equations involving degree 1 only. जितने मैंने आपको क्वेश्चंस दिए उसमें कभी भी आपने देखा है
Yes, sir,
पावर
understood.
2 हो. So because you will do degree 2 equations in your higher grades, not now. Right now you will solve only
Okay, sir.
linear equations and linear equations have degree 1.
Okay, understood.
One more question I will give you.
Answer after that.
79 square BC plus 54 x cube. Give me the degree of this.
So the like okay.
Smiley, आपको monomial, binomial, all those you remember or forgotten?
So I remember.
Okay.
So
Dia,
I
you
don't
also
know.
remember?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I don't remember.
So we need to do C and or only C or only D.
Beta, I have explained, now it's your chance to give the answer.
Shit, I didn't type in there.
So Mr. Guy and
So I sent.
Adya and Dia.
Yes, so just
Adya, Dia,
sending.
send your answer.
Wait, sorry. Don't check this one. I mistakenly added an X.
I'm just changing my internet connection. Yes, guys. Dia, what should be my degree?
So for C part 2 and for D part 4 should be the highest degree.
Yes, so 4 should be the answer, no? This
Yes,
is
so,
2 plus 1 plus 1, so it is 4.
so that's what I
Real
sent.
answer is 4.
So that's what I sent.
Just check, beta, you must have done a typing mistake.
No, sir, I've sent that. My chat box is open. I've sent 2 for C part and D part
Maybe beta,
4.
okay, it's 4. It's 4. Maybe ma'am misunderstood because I just asked the answer for D part. Now, what is the degree of this 60? So everyone give the answer. 1 second question. What is the degree of 60? Quickly give the answer.
You said 1 second.
Yes. So 1 second question.
I sent.
चैटी बेटा सॉल्व नहीं करना है आंसर
So where are half of the names gone?
Candy is
names are
absent, Mahuri, Sudharam is absent,
So 2
Mahuri
names
has
are
left,
missing. Oh,
Mahuri is left. So Diya, what is my answer?
Sir, 0.
Beta, Gaurish, read here. For a constant degree is 0.
So
Gaurish and
that's what I
Adya.
said. So that's what I said.
So the answer is 0. You just see, beta, you must have made a typing mistake.
Yeah. Oh, so I made a typing mistake. Sorry.
Now, what are monomials, binomials, and trinomials? I will use a red pen and explain. The terms, the polynomials which has one term is monomial, two terms binomial, bi means two, three terms trinomial. तो इसमें two terms हैं, terms are always separated by plus sign. So what is this? What is this, Diya?
Sir, may I?
Yes, sir.
What is this monomial, binomial, trinomial, or
Sir,
polynomial?
monomial and polynomial.
Monomial and polynomial. Yeah. So we call it monomial.
So
So
but we can write if there's like if there's like any number we can write as polynomial. So will that be marked as
no,
incorrect?
beta, it will be marked as incorrect.
So why?
So,
But
beta, they want the specific answer. Yes, Gaurish. What is this C part?
For
What
C
did you
part,
say?
sir.
ये आपने इसको monomial बोला कि like what did you say for this one? D part? Diya?
for me,
Yeah.
my monomial.
Monomial कैसे? I thought for a second you know got me. Monomial कैसे ये? This is a plus
monomial.
sign. It's wrong.
So
Plus
but
sign है. This is one term. This is two term. It will be
no, sir,
binomial.
Sir,
you
C
asked for
part will
this,
be
right?
monomial.
You
Sir,
asked for
C
this
part will be
4, right?
monomial.
So you asked for the 4
No,
value.
I didn't ask for the 4 value. I asked for the D part. What about the C part,
Sir,
guys?
sir, monomial.
Monomial.
So now I've remembered. So वो थोड़ा सा बीच में. So I forgot the
Yeah,
definitions for
guys,
like.
B part क्या है? I will
So
ask
may I?
from
Sir,
Smiley.
yes, sir. Sir, it has 4 terms.
Yeah, we will call it polynomial.
Polynomial, yes, sir.
Kids, अगर number होगा तो this is not a polynomial. This is a constant term only. ये तो polynomial होगा ही नहीं अगर केवल constant होगा तो. All right. It will just be a constant term. For it to become a polynomial, it has to have the variable as well. So this is polynomial. Next, A part is what? Who wants to answer? Adya? Adya ji?
Binomial.
बेटा कितनी terms हैं इसमें? Term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. It is trinomial.
Trinomial.
One question I am giving, everyone give it in the chat. So what is this? Everyone give it in the chat. Just write M, B, T or P. Just write this. M for monomial, B for binomial, T for trinomial, and P for polynomial.
So we all got it correct.
So
So if you said-
mathematically, this can be classified. So mathematically, this can be classified as a polynomial also. So how can the teacher mark it wrong in our exams?
Because beta,
Because the
they
school
might
is very
write.
specific.
Yes, they might write it that classify them as monomial, binomial, or trinomial.
Yes, then of course it will be wrong.
Okay, guys, that's all for today. Next class, we will do some word problems regarding linear equations. Bye bye.
area, so we'll do some word problems regarding.
It's linear equations only.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Guys, bye.
So thank you, sir.